Most people think heart damage comes from big mistakes, junk food, stress, or lack of exercise. But cardiology research shows something different. Heart damage frequently accumulates quietly between meals, when inflammation rises, blood sugar fluctuates, and arteries experience oxidative stress. The good news? The right snacks can actively support artery repair, stabilize cholesterol, and improve blood flow every single day. Today you'll learn the 5 most effective heart-supportive snacks backed by nutrition science and cardiovascular research. These foods are not trends. They influence nitric oxide production, endothelial function, and inflammatory signaling, the core mechanisms that determine cardiovascular health. If you snack strategically, you give your heart repeated opportunities to repair itself. Let's begin with the most powerful omega-3 snack. 1. Walnuts, endothelial repair support. Heart disease begins with dysfunction of the endothelium, the inner lining of arteries. Walnuts directly support this system through plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenols that reduce oxidative stress, magnesium and arginine that improve vascular relaxation. Clinical studies consistently demonstrate improved endothelial responsiveness and reduced inflammatory markers with regular walnut intake. Application protocol: portion 30 grams, small handful. Timing: mid-morning or mid-afternoon. Form: raw or dry roasted, unsalted. Walnuts function as a structural support food for blood vessels. Unsweetened Greek yogurt. Gut-mediated cardiovascular protection. Cardiovascular inflammation is strongly influenced by gut microbiome balance. When gut bacteria are disrupted, inflammatory metabolites enter circulation and impair vascular function. Greek yogurt supports heart health by restoring microbial balance via probiotics, providing potassium for blood pressure regulation, delivering high-quality protein for tissue repair. Large cohort studies associate regular yogurt consumption with improved lipid profiles and reduced cardiovascular risk. Application protocol: 3/4 to 1 cup plain Greek yogurt. Add berries, chia, or flaxseed. Avoid added sugar products. Healthy gut signaling supports healthy arteries. 3. Dark chocolate, 70–85%. Nitric oxide activation. One of the earliest signs of cardiovascular strain is reduced vascular elasticity. High cocoa dark chocolate contains flavonols that stimulate nitric oxide synthesis, a key regulator of vessel dilation and blood flow efficiency. Research demonstrates improved endothelial function, reduced vascular resistance, lower systolic blood pressure after intake. Application protocol: 10–20 grams daily. High cocoa percentage only. Minimal sugar, no milk chocolate. In controlled amounts, dark chocolate is a functional vascular food. 4. Berries. Oxidative stress defense system. Cholesterol becomes dangerous primarily when oxidized. Berries supply anthocyanins and vitamin C that protect LDL particles from oxidation, strengthen endothelial integrity, improve arterial flexibility. Regular berry consumption is linked with lower inflammatory biomarkers and improved vascular function. Application protocol: 1/2 to 1 cup daily. Fresh or frozen, both effective. Pair with nuts or yogurt for metabolic stability. Antioxidant protection is a core strategy for artery preservation. 5. Hummus with vegetables. Metabolic stability snack. Heart protection requires stable blood sugar and controlled lipid metabolism. This combination delivers soluble fiber that removes excess LDL, monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation, plant nitrates that support nitric oxide production. It is one of the most metabolically balanced snack structures available. Application protocol: 2 to 4 tablespoons hummus. Raw vegetables: carrot, cucumber, bell pepper. Best timing: mid-afternoon metabolic dip. Fiber plus healthy fat creates sustained cardiovascular protection. The science of snack timing. Metabolic timing determines whether nutrients heal or harm. Optimal windows: 2 to 3 hours after breakfast, mid-afternoon when stress hormones rise. Avoid late-night snacking, continuous grazing. refined carbohydrate snacks after dinner. During overnight fasting, the body performs vascular repair and cholesterol regulation. Disrupting this window increases cardiovascular stress. Practical daily heart routine: morning walnuts or yogurt with berries, afternoon hummus with vegetables. Optional support: dark chocolate with green tea. Replacing one processed snack daily produces measurable improvement in metabolic markers within weeks. Consistency drives cardiovascular adaptation. Heart disease rarely develops suddenly. It develops quietly through repeated exposure to inflammation, oxidative stress, and metabolic instability. But repair works the same way. Small protective choices, repeated daily, strengthen your cardiovascular system over time. If you want evidence-based strategies that help you prevent disease before it begins, subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who values long-term health. Your heart never stops working for you. Make sure your daily habits work for your heart.